Hello everyone. So welcome to the second lecture of line of regression, and in this lecture we'll see some introduction part related to the line of regression. First we'll start with the definition. Here definition says that here LOR is nothing but line of regression. Line of regression is the statistical technique where we build the mathematical model by showing the relationship between the variables of data sets on the basis of nature of the data. Actually what happened here, the data set is given. So from the data set here we identify the variable where the one variable can be considered as a x and other variable can be considered as a y. So after identifying the variable on the basis of the nature of the data, here we identify the relationship between the variable, and whatever relationship exists, that relationship is basically called mathematical model. For example, here we can say suppose we have the example y equal to 2x minus 15. So here we can say this mathematical model has a two variable y and the variable x. Variable x is the input variable and variable y is nothing but output variable. So in this case, with the help of the x, we can do the prediction of y, and this is a mathematical model, and that mathematical model is called line of regression. This is one of the example. Actually, line of regression may show the relationship not only between the two variable, it may show the relationship between the more than two variable also. There might be the case we have the equation y equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 kind of something. So that kind of regression is called multiple linear regression, but we are not interested in multiple linear regression. In this chapter only we are going to cover the line of regression between the two variables, that is x and y. Basically this technique is used for the purpose of prediction. In real life, whenever the prediction are required at that particular place, we always use the line of regression. So actually what happened, suppose here we have the equation y equal to 2x minus of 15, this equation. So in this equation, on the basis of x, we can do the prediction of y. Hence we can solve, hence we can say here we are doing the prediction of y on the basis of x. So this technique is basically used for the purpose of prediction of some unknown values. One example here we can consider, suppose we are interested to do the prediction of salary of employee if his expenses is 62,000 per month, right? So in that case what we can do, here we'll first find the relationship between the salary and the expenses, and suppose the relationship is nothing but y equal to 2x minus of 15, where y is a salary and x is expenses. So on the basis of expenses, here we can do the prediction of salary. So hence they have given, this is the one of the example, right? Hope this one is clear to you now. And as already I said, basically the line of regression is very important topic. So it is used by almost every branch of engineering for the purpose of prediction only. So I hope this much introduction is enough for you. And one more thing, whenever I'm going to come to the problem solving part, over there you will going to understand each and every point of this theory, whatever I had explained now. So this is the end of this lecture. Thank you.